Ni hao, Master Designers. I enjoy the pleasure for your arrival. Tonight we're going to draw Shinotic, the illuminating Pokemon. Code names, Grass and Fairy type. Amazing. It's glowing. Much like its primal form, Moralong, this guy can drain energy, but it can share energy with those that it likes. Its flickering spores lure prey and place them to sleep. Once it has prey snoozing, it drains vitality with its fingertips. If you see it light deep in the forest at night, don't go near. Shinotic will make you fall asleep. Alrighty then. Let's continue, shall we? These are its fingers. There we are. Alexa, play Hottest Place in Town.
The Hottest Place in Town by Thomas and Friends on Amazon Music.
You mustn't worry about going to the goods yard tonight.
Here's the giant bulb on top of his skull.
Leave them here in the yard. We'll look after them for you, Thomas. No problemo.
Yes, come on inside. We'll keep you nice and warm.
This is the hottest place in town. Yeah.
I don't know where you thought you were going, but here you are.
I don't know what you thought you were doing, but you've come so
There he is.
far. This is the place you were meant to be being.
There we are. That's how you draw Shinotic. One of my favorite Pokemon. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later. Farewell. I love you all, and good night.